Hello, friends. It's Mr. Hanson here again for our weekly introductory meetings. Um, I just wanted to go through a few things really quick with you guys here. Um, so a few assignments, just it's going to be kind of part of the course of what we've been doing. Um, we are reading this week chapters 14 through 19. We will have a quiz on that, and you will also have a discussion question. The quiz again is 5 questions long, and um, it's mostly going to just be, I think, pretty apparent material if you read the stuff. For our discussion, your question is in the section Amir learned some hard truths about his father, Hassan, and himself. I wanted to analyze some of Amir's behaviors as he learned some of these hard truths. And what I mean by that is not only mention like stuff that he discovers, but how does he react to it? Like, what do we think about those reactions? Are they fair? Do you think he's justified? Is he admirable? Is he foolish? Just kind of think about, maybe placing yourself in his position a little bit and see, what you can dig up here. For part two, I want you to consider a hard truth that you've learned in ways that you've had to deal with it. You can be as specific and detailed as you wish to be on this portion. But I would like you guys to have 2 full paragraphs for this answer, okay? For supplementary material, guys, I think there's some great stuff. I was able to dig up some great material on here. A lot of these videos, there's a bigger focus on the Taliban in these chapters, and I think it's going to get even bigger. There's discussion about education. I found some videos for that if you're interested. A Hazar massacre that happened just in the early 2000s. Okay, there's a documentary on that if you're interested. And then Taliban and women. There's certainly a lot of material here, and I don't expect you to get through all this, but if there's parts in here that interest you, this is, of course, going to be optional. So take a look at it and see if something can help you better understand what's going on in this book. Finally, we do have a new thing that's not going to be due until May 17th. That's a Sunday. It's called This I Believe Essay. There are several videos that CBS Radio has put out called This I Believe, and they do celebrities or just, common people who make these videos about what they believe. We'll be posting some of these throughout the week, but I wanted to give you guys a chance to start thinking about this for the next week or 2 or 3 weeks. You are going to write a paper called This I Believe, and you can, depending on your situation, if you can talk to me or Mr. Weber or Mr. Perry if he uses this to help kind of walk you through what you need to do or what you can do if you have issue. So you're going to write an essay about a belief that you have acquired through your life experiences. Please refrain from proselyting or espousing a religious belief. Okay, so maybe it doesn't have to be religious in nature, but just some other belief that just has really resonated with you. Okay, this is going to be just 1 page, single-spaced, 400 to 500 words, Times New Roman, 12-point font. Okay, all that fun stuff. All right, so this is something just to be thinking about. Here's a web page that you can start looking at some of these as well. Okay. All right, well, you guys, I think that is all that I have in line here. This next reading is quite interesting. I really enjoyed it myself. It's the first time go around for me. I think there's a lot of powerful material in here that you can glean from this. So happy reading, and we will see you guys all on Tuesday and Thursday. Thanks.